Hi there, it's Dawn Whalen. Happy Friday. I hope you're enjoying this day. Apparently, based on what the weather people are telling us, this is going to be a French toast making weekend. So I hope you have made it to the store and have got your milk, bread, and eggs so that you can make that French toast. Things we have coming up this weekend. We have a new listing going live tomorrow in Bayberry at Southport and 37. That one will be listed by Nathan Barley. He will be holding that open on Sunday, 6851 Youngberry. It will be held open from noon to 2 on Sunday. Stop by, check the house out, and see that Nathan is actually a real person and not a figment of my imagination. Also, on Sunday, I'll be holding open two different properties, 416 Bancroft and also 601 North Riley. Bancroft will be open from 12 to 2. Riley will be open from 3 to 5. Both of these homes are on the east side. If you're familiar with the INHP Anchor Housing Program, they are both in the Anchor Housing neighborhood for Cecina Memorial High School. So feel free to come by, check those open houses out, check Nathan's open house out, go see that he is truly a real individual. And he has promised that next week he's going to do a video and introduce himself to you guys so you know that yes, he is real and what he's all about. We'll be doing that on Tuesday, so look for that sometime next week. If you have any questions or you're looking to buy, build, or sell, please give us a call, 317-222-6112. Thanks so much. Have a great weekend. Stay safe, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.